Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I hope you all are having a beautiful start to your day. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the HiSmile kit. Now, some of the contents are missing because a while back I had this kit and used it, and I got a few more things, so I'm only missing like one or two things, but I will be mentioning everything that was included, and yeah, just ignore that part. Today here we have teeth whitening gels, the LED light and mouth tray, and the coconut whitening mouthwash, and of course the light and the tray for the light. And before I get started, I'm going to just give you a little quick tidbit on HiSmile. They're a really awesome Australian-based company that specializes in tooth whitening that's also vegan and cruelty-free. And recently they actually just came out with a line of no sensitivity clothing, and I'll show you a few pictures from their catalog for that. I actually was really lucky enough to get this no sensitivity towel, and it's like my favorite, and it's kind of crazy because like you usually don't pick like a favorite towel, but I do. I'm one of those weird people because of this towel. It's so amazing, and I hope I can get one of their shirts and stuff then too. That would be really awesome. So if I do, I'll be sure to post pictures, obviously. That would be super amazing. And yeah guys, without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to be showing you how to use these gels. They gave me 3 in this pack, which by the way, before we get started, can I point out this new logo? Isn't this amazing? I love it. I'll compare it to the last one. This is the old one, and this is the new one. So this is basically it, and I love it so much. I think it's just a really fresh look. Don't get me wrong, I loved the old font. It was really nice, but something about this one, I don't know, it's just like modern and fresh looking. It's hard to explain, but I love it. And I'll pop one of these syringes out to show you guys. This is what it looks like. And you pop this off. One thing I didn't know back when I first got it, and I ended up popping the end off by squeezing this, and it was a little bit crazy and I felt really stupid. So please don't be me. And that's it. So you apply 1/4 of the gel to the front of the mouth tray and to the back of the mouth tray. Here's the mouth tray. So I don't know if you can see this or not, basically like right here and kind of like down here. And some down here, so you flip it and do like so. So they have it actually measured out, which I really liked. So you do 1/4 on the top tray and then another 1/4 on the bottom tray. So basically you're looking at about like 2 uses out of each syringe, and you're supposed to use this daily. But for lasting results, repeat 1 application every 2 weeks. So if you can't do every day, then no problem. So just do, you know, at least once every 2 weeks, because that'll just, you know, keep your bright smile going. And I don't know about you guys, but like I'm a really heavy coffee drinker, and this really helped. I was so amazed by the results after the first 10 minutes. You're supposed to let this sit for 10 minutes in case I didn't say that already. And it was amazing. Like, I couldn't believe it. It was the day I just got my braces off, and I was so excited to use it. I bought it in advance, and I even asked them, I was like, you know, when does this expire? Because I want to use this on my teeth, and I have braces, and, you know, I didn't know. I had a few months left to go before I got my braces off. And I think they said like 2 years until it expired. So I grabbed it while it was on sale that time. I grabbed it, and once I got my braces off, I was so excited. and I just came home, I whipped open the drawer and got the whitening kit out, and yeah, so 10 minutes went by and I popped that baby off and it was amazing. Like, I can't, oh my gosh, it looks like I used one of those like those whitening strips, except it's all minus like the garbage chemicals and stuff. It's like vegan and cruelty free and amazing. So I want to see, I won't be able to show you guys all the syringes in this video because I'm not going to just keep piling it up, you know, and I'm just gonna do one application and show you guys the results after the first 10 minutes. I don't know what kind of results we'll see, but I'll show you guys in the video. And the other ones I will post on my Instagram at Madison the Beauty Addict. And just look me up there and stay tuned for the results. And yeah, I wish I could put them all in the video, but unfortunately I'm not able to because that's gonna take several days. And I was hoping to get this video done by like tomorrow, so just stay tuned on my Instagram, and if you have any questions about this, just let me know. So anyways, that's for the gels, and the kit came with all of this plus a whitening pen, and there was also like a little paper shade chart that would compare different shades of teeth. So they'd have where you could mark what shade you were on the first day and then what shade you were on the last day. And I really wish I could find mine to show you guys what shade I was, because there is a huge difference by like a 6-day span. And like, it was a crazy difference by the end of the 6 days. It was like amazing, and I wish I could have just showed you guys that, but my paper went missing. And if I find it, I'll do a post on Instagram. So like I said, be sure you're following me because I'll probably be doing a lot of HiSmile posts because this company's super awesome. And there's this coconut mouthwash. Now, I'll admit, I'm not really the biggest fan of this. It's nice, but it hurts my mouth kind of to rinse it around and stuff, but I'll show you guys. Definitely helps because it has coconut in it, and coconut's like amazing for your teeth, so I'm gonna use it anyways just because, you know, it's really good. And here's the back of it. I don't know if you can read the steps or not. I'll just read it for you. It's basically you squirt this like in your mouth out of the tube, and then, you know, you rinse it around for 10 minutes and then rinse your mouth, and yeah, so that should be good. 30 milliliters, and I have it sealed there. I was gonna show you guys a little bit on my finger just to show you guys like the texture and stuff. Hopefully I can get this off. Probably have one open somewhere. They send you several. Like, I only have a couple left. So I was trying to stay consistent with it, but it's, like I said, it's not my favorite part, but it helps a lot. So I highly recommend just do it. And so it's actually really oily right now, but it's, back when I first used it, it was actually like thick. For those of you that have used coconut oil before, you know what I mean when it's like the thicker consistency. Yeah, so it's because it's hot outside, that's why it's runny like that. But yeah, and as for the whitening pen, I don't have that with me right now, unfortunately, but that was also amazing. Basically, you use it, and it's just a whitening pen. You turn a knob thing at the top of the pen, and it's like a brush. It's not like a felt marker thing like I thought. It's just like a brush. And you basically, gel will come out of the brush, and you brush it onto your teeth, and you keep like a smiling pose like that for a minute, and then after that you just let it on your teeth, go about your business, do your makeup for 30 minutes, and then after that you just rinse or brush your teeth and you're good to go. And that I also noticed results with, and it was really awesome. And one other thing that wasn't included in the kit that I bought separately and loved was their toothpaste. And I gotta get more of that stuff because it was dope, like really dope. And there was a day and night toothpaste, and it's both of them are charcoal. So charcoal's really good by itself, but like, you know, just because it's HiSmile, it's like magical. And I've been brushing with that until it ran out. I don't know how long it lasted me. I'd like to say like a month or two, but a little bit of it goes a long way. Like, I got such like a lather in my mouth with just like the size of a pea. It was amazing. And it cleaned my teeth. My mouth felt so fresh and minty. And it was so good. Like, I miss it. I gotta get that again. And yeah, so between all of this stuff, my teeth were just like popping. And like I said, you don't gotta worry about sensitivity, hence the no sensitivity part. And you know, it's vegan and cruelty free, so no animals are involved. And that's like a huge plus for me, for those of you that know. I'm big on like no animal testing and veganism and all that. And yeah, so overall, I really loved this kit. It's worth every penny, guys. Just don't even look at the price. Just get it and try it because you're gonna love it. And yeah, so I'm gonna put this mouth tray on here. So it's like a little sleeve thing and you just pop it around this. Honestly, should have rinsed this first, but I don't know what kind of batteries it takes. I might put that in the description. Yeah, it doesn't say. Here's the battery cover. Usually there's a little tiny plastic thing that sticks out of there. You just open up the battery compartment and pull it out, and then you put the batteries back in and shut it. And I'll show you guys. There's the power button. And it's really bright and blue and amazing. It'll beep like that when you're done. Actually, the cool thing is when you click that and have it in your mouth, it lasts for like 10 minutes. It has like a 10-minute timer on it. And then it'll beep like that again when the 10 minutes are up and the light will shut off. So you don't even have to time yourself. You just put it in your mouth when you're ready and it stays like that. So, you know, I just thought of something. I'm about to do this and I have all this lipstick on my mouth. So, I guess it would be good to go clean my lipstick off. Yeah, this is gonna be like really bad, but okay. You guys have no idea how bad this hurts. Why was I so stupid? Now my lips are gonna look so red. Why did I do this to myself? I always set myself up like this. Dude, look at how red my lips are. So crazy. Oh, by the way, I didn't say this, but you will have a lot of slobber. A lot. So, totally normal. Just be prepared. Look at how red my lips are. That's ridiculous. Chapstick! Hopefully I got it all off. I have a mirror in front of me. Alright, let's get this baby started. So, like I said, we're going to do 1/4 on the top. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm trying to show you guys. Trying not to be... Oh yeah, I better flip it around like this. Duh, Madison. Okay, so there's 1/4. I kind of like to spread it around too. Don't really know if you're supposed to, but I do. You guys totally didn't even see that. I was hoping you guys could have saw that, but that's what it looks like. And yeah, I'm kind of careful because I don't want the gel to run. There's a fuzzy. We're gonna do another 1/4. Actually, you kind of want to move it up more rather than just like at the corner there, because when you put this all on the front, it makes it more on your teeth. My one mistake I did was I stuck it on the, I'll just say the floor of the tray, and when I put it on my mouth, like, you know, this front part is what's hitting your teeth. Well, putting it on the bottom is not going to do anything. So that was one really stupid mistake I did. Just don't be me. So I just about did that again, but caught myself. So we're spreading this all on the front of the tray, because that's what's hitting your teeth, and that's what's gonna make them be so amazing. So amazing. All right, and let's get started. So, not gonna be able to talk, but I'll just show you guys, just watch. Oh my gosh. Do you see how white my teeth are, you guys? Like, I'm freaking over this. Like, they're so bright. I can't even process it. Wow, that's, like I said, this is just after one use. And they usually give you, actually, I think in the kit, they gave me like 6 syringes, but this one has 3. But just after one use, you get 2 uses out of each syringe. And 1 use, and my teeth are like, oh my god. Yeah, wow. Just wow, this is amazing. So like, as much as I love to smile and everything now, like, I better get lipstick back on because these red lips ain't cutting it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give your thoughts below and give this a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to my channel because I'm always doing makeup giveaways and you wouldn't want to miss that. So yeah guys, thank you again for watching this and have a beautiful rest of your night. Bye guys!